Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the BEKA 4-in-1 Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper, a versatile solution for new parents seeking convenience and safety. This innovative bassinet features a retractable side for easy access during nighttime feedings and diaper changes, making it especially helpful for moms recovering from a C-section. With its 4-in-1 functionality, the BEKA transforms effortlessly from a bedside sleeper to a crib, a changing table, and even a playard, accommodating your baby from newborn to 30 pounds. Designed with safety in mind, it includes special safety straps and anchors to secure it to an adult bed, and its 360-degree breathable mesh sides ensure optimal air circulation and easy supervision. The sturdy construction, featuring 3 support tubes and 4 grabbing buckles, prevents tipping and supports up to 15 pounds, while the 2 wheels with safety brakes offer easy mobility. Assembly is a breeze with no extra tools required, and its compact design allows for easy storage and transport in the included travel bag. Certified to meet international safety standards, the BEKA Bassinet is crafted from paint-free, chemical-free materials, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for your little one. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.